Iinkcukacha amanani ze-CCID zithi amatyala okweba kumbindi wedolophu ahle aya kumyinge we-59% kulo nyaka uphelileyo. Aze amatyala okuphanga ehle ngo-67% ngeli lixa amatyala okulo esidlangalaleni ehle ngo-56% ngelixesha.
When full lockdown hit us last year, March, there were 7 attempted break-ins within the first 3 days, but we were ready and apprehended all 14 suspects. This sent a strong message, and break-in attempts went down to 0 during this period. As the lockdown lifted, our team shifted focus to entertainment areas, specifically restaurants and shops. It also looked at how to provide additional services to make people feel safe, such as residential checks, escorts of people navigating the less busy streets, and security for business owners during opening and closing time.
I-CCID ithi inkqubo yabo yokukhusela ulwaphulo mthetho kunye nokubambisana namapolisa nomasipala waseKapa kubancedile ukuba bafumane iziphumo ezincumisayo kulo nyaka uphelileyo.
Once lockdown eased and more people came back to town, the focus went back to contact crimes such as theft out of motor vehicle and common robbery, which was mostly pickpocketing.
Abasemagunyeni bathi ukwehla kolwaphulo mthetho kuza kuncedisa amaphulo okuphucula ukhuseleko kumbindi wedolophu waseKapa.